Hi folks, happy Pride Month! Thank you for watching another Coin-Operated Press zine review. This month I wanted to review a queer artist who I discovered at Edinburgh Zine Festival that we were involved with a couple of weeks back. So Georgie Mac is a visual artist and zine maker based in Glasgow. So we met Georgie Mac at Edinburgh Zine Festival that was run by Edinburgh Zine Library at the Fruit Market Warehouse in Edinburgh. And I absolutely knew that I needed to go and talk to Georgie because they had the most amazing outfits. And then as I got talking to them and I looked at their zine table that was at the festival, I absolutely was like, oh, this artwork's amazing and I definitely need to support you. So you can also support them too. This is their business card and it's a little sneak peek into the zines that they make. They are an illustrator and they do rhizo print primarily, which is really cool. It's something that me and Chloe are really excited to try out. So Georgie, if you are watching this, please give us tips and lessons on how to do rhizo print because that sounds exciting. So this is the other side of their business card. They are a visual artist and zine maker, Georgie Mac. Their website is georgiemac.com and their Instagram is at hellogeorgiemac. So while we were at the zine fair, we did a zine swap with Georgie and gave them our Scottish poetry zine called Keep Your Heed, which I am awful at pronouncing. I need a Scottish person. My wife needs to be here to pronounce all the Scottish words, but we swapped our Scottish poetry collection for this little zine. And it's all well-known artworks throughout history with Furby faces, which I thought was adorable. So I believe it's rhizo print. I really like the simplicity of this scene and the colours that they used. And just the way that they printed it was really interesting. Like I say, me and Chloe are really keen to learn more about rhizo printing. So any zine that I can find that's rhizo print, I will definitely fall in love with. Let me see what my favorite. There's a lot of images that are my favorites in here. I don't know if I'll be able to pick one. The front cover is definitely amazing. And I really liked the Mona Lisa in here. It's great. What I really like about this scene though is that it opens up into a poster. So there's all of the individual artworks here and then it opens up into a poster, which is really cool. I want to figure out how we can do that with our own zines. We do run workshops where you can make a mini zine, and this was a really brilliant example of how you can turn one piece of paper into an amazing little booklet. I know that this zine, the poster which is on the other side, you can buy it as a print in Georgie Mac's shop. I'll leave all the details down below. This is two colours because it's rhizo print, but the print is beautiful and all the colours and really brilliant quality. So if you liked this zine, please do go and check out all of the other stuff that's available on their shop. They also take commissions of illustrations and I believe zines as well, so do check that out. As well as the zine swap, I went back the next day because we were at Edinburgh Zine Festival for a whole weekend. So I went round all the tables on the first day and then on the second day I went round again and made some purchases. So I went back to Georgie's store and had like a little chat with them, and I'd had my eye on this for days because how amazing is the front cover. And the back cover is even more amazing. It's called A New Kind of Astronaut by Georgie Mac, and it is about Steve Harrington from Stranger Things, Hair. which I thought was amazing. The artwork in it is beautiful. It's really striking, and I was just really immediately drawn to it by the front cover, not even realizing that it was a Stranger Things thing. So this zine is really brilliant quality. The front cover is quite thick, and the print quality is amazing and really bright, and it feels like a really good quality zine, which was also really attracting to me. And then when you flip through, it's got really beautiful artwork. It's all cut and paste and then digitally put together, I believe. And there is a poem inside that's all cut and paste. I like that it's gone for the traditional zine making thing of like using a typewriter and using, you know, PVA glue and scissors and putting it all together that way. At least it looks that way. I believe some parts of it are digital just because it's very intricate, like this page. But it's a really cool zine, and I really love the work that Georgie has done. This is one of my favourite pages. And I want to find my favourite page of the poem, because it's a little story and poem and an ode to Steve Harrington's hair. This is probably my favourite page in it. I would like this as a print, please, Georgie. I want to put it on my wall. And I really liked this page too. I think it's a really funny, beautiful zine. The artwork is amazing. The writing is just adorable. And I suggest that you all go and buy this zine and support Georgie, because I want to see what else they come up with. And this zine is a really fun one for my first thing by Georgie, and I can't wait to add to my collection. Thank you for listening to another Coin-Operated Press zine review. Please do check out Georgie Mac's store. I will leave all that information down below. You can get zines, illustrations, prints, and they do take commissions as well. This is their business card, and we will leave all of the links below.